Use a T10, T15, and T20 bits to remove the 16 screws securing the handle housings. Cut or peel off the bottom label. Remove the 2 housing covers. Remove the clamp screw. Loosen the screws on the pole and motor. Remove the pole and the motor assembly from the main housing. Slide the thermal casing over, then cut the shrink tube to expose the motor connector. Unplug the motor and electrical assembly connector. Take note of the wire routing in the main housing. Remove the motor from the tube. Replace the motor. Turn the motor until the screw holes on the motor align with the holes on the pole. Secure the motor with screws. Connect the motor and electrical assembly. Cover the motor connector with a shrink tube for waterproofing, then slide the thermal casing over to cover it. Install the pole and motor in the main housings. The holes here need to be aligned. Tighten the screw on the clamp. Install the housing covers. Tighten the screws on the housings.